Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cozy fall day in the life. We're going to be doing some baking and some cleaning, and then I may go to the thrift store and see what they have. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get this day started. So now that I just finished getting ready, we're going to be making this cinnamon swirl cake, and it is so good. I love it. This is my second time making it, and my boys seem to love it too. I think that this cake is perfect for a fall dessert, and you can also make muffins out of this and have it for breakfast. I'm just spreading a thin layer across the bottom of the cake pan, and then I'm going to sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mixture on top of that. According to the box, I just take the remaining cake mix and place it on the top of the cinnamon sugar mixture. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you can just place it in random spots all over the cake, and it turns out super pretty. Then we're going to pop it in the oven and bake it for 25 minutes. While I'm waiting on my cake to bake in the oven, I'm just going to get these dishes clean. Whenever I have a lot that I need to get done during the day, I always feel like I have to write everything down. So here I'm just making a list of everything that I need to get at the grocery store, and also a list of things I need to clean around the house. Hey guys, me and my little boy Bo are about to head to the thrift store and see what they have. I just like to check out their furniture and their kitchen items and things like that to see if I can do any DIYs or makeovers, because I really enjoy doing that. And I'm also looking for a couple things to redo for my farmers market booth. So let's go ahead and go see what they have. Right, bud? What do you want to say? Go ahead. You're sweet. thought that this second thrift store I went to had a lot of cute furniture. I actually got a old chair that I want to try to paint the fabric on and put in my living room for $5 here. So I'm excited about that. I got this little turkey for $2.50 and I'm going to paint it gold or white, and I think it'll be pretty on a table for Thanksgiving. I just got a package from Sam's Club. I found these LED lights for $11 from a recommendation I seen on Caitlin Cash's YouTube. And I love these for Christmas. I can put them on my garland. And they also have 7 different settings. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. This is the cheapest I found them. Now we're just going to eat some of the cinnamon cake that I made earlier. And it was so good. You guys are going to have to try that and let me know if you like it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I plan to post more content soon, a lot of Christmas videos, decorate with me, clean with me, much more. I hope that you guys have a great day.